Welcome everybody back, and today we are at Winnie Bay along Copacabana. I've actually driven on this road a lot of times and seen this tower that you can see behind me, but I've actually never realized that there's a trail that you can actually do. Behind that you can see is like a steel gate, and we are going to be walking on that today. So without further ado, let me take you along the fire trail of Winnie Bay. This trail near the central coast within New South Wales, generally considered a challenging route, takes an average of 39 minutes to complete. Great for hiking and walking of coastal and cliff tops of some of the most beautiful shoreline that has to offer. Hosts a reverently simple bushwalk along dirt trail and road that links you back to the starting point of Winnie Bay Lookout. finally made it to Winnie Bay, and it's so lovely to just finally get down here. I really like the file trail that I was just on. It was very nice to see actually some plants that I've never seen before. Some of them I have seen, but that whole track coming down here was very, very lovely. We're now going to be going this direction, which is my right, and we are going to be heading along the coastal part of this next part of the video. I did see online that apparently there's a specific island, but I'll explain a little bit more when we get a bit closer to it, if we can get closer. Really taking in this beautiful scenery with the ocean with crashing onto the rocks. Very beautiful here. A classic example of the struggle between concrete, culture and nature is the ongoing debate over Winnie Bay. Located between Copacabana and Avoca, Winnie Bay has deep cultural significance to local Aboriginals. Its easterly elevation makes for stunning views. I've just walked quite a bit of rocks, and I just want to put it out there, when doing rocks on long coastal parts, to make sure to wear solid boots, and if you've got some gloves then definitely need to wear those. If you ever come here, definitely those two are definitely needed. That little island in the distance there is actually called Shark Island. That's what I wanted to show everybody because I was wondering if there was actually genuinely sharks around it, hence the name. But it's so nice to be here in this section now that I'm able to show you the actual what the little island looks like. But yeah, it's just over there. Haven't seen any fins as yet, but I'm gonna try and get some shots of the water to see if I can find any fins. And yeah, it'd be cool if we can find a shark. We're now going to be heading back now, and there's another section on the other side of where we started, and I'm going to take you all on that section. I've just showed you Winnie Bay and Shark Island on the other side, but now we're going to be going on the track behind me that's going to be taking you way far in the distance there. So it's just a little trail that I wanted to show you all, so I'll be able to take you guys and see what lurks around that part for us all. It's part of a 5 land walks, an event described as spiritual and cultural journey, a gift from the communities and sponsors of the Central Coast, a place where no one is excluded, as well as where families, friends and wider community are encouraged to celebrate life, have fun and connect to deep Aboriginal history, European settlement and who we are today. Officially made it to the very end on the other side of Winnie Bay, and you can just see behind me how beautiful these rock formations are. It's truly magnificent to see, And so that concludes me showing all of Winnie Bay, but I really hope you enjoyed it, just seeing a lot of the coastal line, the rock formations, and just how splendid this place actually is. Now in the last video, I gave a review on the last location that I did. If I wanted to rate this one out of 10, I think I'm gonna give it a high rating, probably maybe a 9 out of 10. Reason being is I like the experience, the atmosphere. I also like how there was a little island called Shark Island, which made my day. Unfortunately, I didn't see any sharks, but that's okay. It's cool how they named it that though. Until next time, everyone, life's an unexpected journey, and I will see you on another one of my videos. Take care, bye. Check out the Granda 94 socials on TikTok and Instagram, alongside subscribing to this YouTube channel. If like to donate, I have as well a Patreon that all proceeds will contribute to equipment, content and behind the scenes images. Also a merch store via Redbubble that has clothing, magnets and other types of things to check out. Thanks for watching and enjoy looking through many more videos of mine. See you next time.